Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. The AMD software installer detected AMD graphics hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. Again, if you encounter this error when installing the AMD driver, there are three possible causes. The first one is embedded AMD Radeon graphics. The second, if you have old graphic card, this is the legacy AMD Radeon graphics. And of course, the third is the OEM system. So the first solution, if you have embedded AMD Radeon graphic, please visit AMD driver and support, and do not use the auto detect install driver updates for AMD Radeon. Just use the manual one. You can browse your products by click on graphics option, scroll down and find Radeon embedded. Click it and select your graphic card, for example the HD series 5770. Submit. After you submit, you can find your operating system, mostly in 64-bit edition. And here we go. This is the AMD embedded GPU and APU version. You can click download and simply install on your system. And for legacy or the old graphic card, if your graphic card is listed here, this is the mobile one, desktop one, and this is the APU, it means you have to download manually your graphic driver and try to search legacy graphics and choose your Radeon series, mostly still ATI Radeon 700 series. Submit. And this is the Catalyst driver. So here, let's try the breakdown. Here we go. Catalyst software suite, revision number 6.2. just simply download it. And if you have OEM system, please visit the AMD partners at inboard original equipment and system builder configuration. Please obtain the driver from the official website of the OEM. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.